Hey guys, welcome back to Rootset. I have been using my Windows laptop for the past 2 years. Last week, due to some virus attacks, I had to format my hard drive and reinstall fresh copy of Windows 10. After that, I installed the latest version of Arduino IDE to my laptop. I opened a sample sketch, connected my Arduino Nano, selected the right port and board, and clicked on upload. The code was compiled in 3 seconds, but it was stuck in the upload part. It started throwing out these error messages. First I thought there was something wrong with the Arduino Nano board I was using. But when I tried to upload the code to the one that was working perfectly, I got the same error. I tried to reinstall Arduino IDE, removed and added all the boards and even tried to manually install all the drivers. Well guys, the solution was pretty simple. In the newer version of Arduino IDE, you have to select old bootloader before uploading the codes to older boards. This is how you do it. First, write the code you want to upload. Go to Tools, Boards and select Arduino Nano. Then the port. And after that, go to Processor and select Atmega 328P Old Bootloader. Now you can directly upload the code to your Arduino Nano. Thank you guys, see you soon.